System Health provides information on the health of your displays. You may check the on-site status of your displays and different diagnostics simply by viewing the System Health diagnostic page. One of the alerts you may see when viewing the diagnostic page is the power supply failure. Although this error may not be visible on the display itself, it should be resolved and not ignored. A power supply failure may not be visible on the display due to the PL5X module redundancy. Let's take a look at what you would see in System Health and how to resolve this. To view System Health, select your display from the left side menu. Then open the display to view the display configuration menu. Select Troubleshooting and then select the View Diagnostics button. In our example, we can see the Mod button is highlighted yellow, letting us know we are viewing module information. We can also see one of the modules is highlighted yellow. If this is not the display error we are looking for, we can switch to another card to view that output status. Simply select the drop-down arrow next to the card name and select a different card to view diagnostics for. Now let's get back to our diagnostics and see what we can do. By clicking on the yellow highlighted mod, the slide-out window on the right will provide more information. It tells me the mod number is 320 and that it is located on my display in row 7 of 12 and column 27 of 39. This is the mod location on this output of the video processor. A power supply failure should never be ignored. The PL5X module is capable of power redundancy, allowing for continued operation even after a power supply failure. This event is created when the module detects the primary power supplies have failed, causing it to set an event. This allows maintenance to be performed proactively, avoiding a display outage. Possible causes for a power supply failure could be improper connection with the power cables to the power supply or between the power supply and the module. Or there may be a power supply failure of the module attached power supply. Clicking the power supply failure in the slide-out window will take me to the Daktronics knowledge base for this particular error. This article provides on-site troubleshooting steps. Unfortunately, this issue cannot be resolved remotely. On-site, you'll want to identify and locate in the display the power supply experiencing the power supply failure event. In our example, we took note that the error was happening in row 7, column 27. Remove the access panels on the rear of the display as necessary. If you do not have access panels on the rear of your display, remove modules from the display face to observe the status light activity on the rear of the modules following the knowledge base article entitled, How Do I Remove Modules? Next, verify the power connectors both into and out of the primary power supply are seated properly. Then replace any components as necessary. Note that most module power supply combos are replaced as a single unit. If extra power supplies are available, replace just the failed power supply. Use the resources below for more information or assistance. You can find the My Support resource at www.daktronics.com/mysupport. Use the My Support portal to create a new service case, view open service cases, check order and shipping status, verify account information. You can even select email text settings to receive case notifications. For more information on system errors, check our online knowledge base at www.daktronics.com/support using keywords display error or power supply failure. To speak with the technician or customer service in the United States and Canada, call 1-800-DAKTRONICS. Outside the US and Canada, dial the country code +1, then 605-697-4000.